Hey, I'm Dean Jacobs, and I'm excited to announce that I will be the keynote speaker at the Nebraska Facilities Conference at the Heartland Event Center in Grand Island, Nebraska on October 6th and October 7th. My work has taken me from conferences and classrooms to the Amazon rainforest and to villages in Uganda, from leadership retreats to student gardens. And one thing has become clear to me. Everywhere I go, people do not flourish in environments where they feel invisible. No, people flourish where they feel safe, seen, valued, and invited to become more. My presentation will incorporate my unique take on facilities from my lens as a world traveler, as a photographer, storyteller, performance coach, and motivational speaker, all right? The intent of this keynote will be to motivate and to inspire, develop an understanding of why mindset matters, and to think about facilities and the spaces that matter to those that you serve. Facility teams often work in the invisible layer of success, right? When things go right, people may not say what? Anything. But when things go wrong, what happens? Everyone notices, right? But the truth is this: your work is often invisible, but its impact is deeply felt, right? A cared for space tells people they are entering a cared for story. Every facility sends a message, right? A parking lot speaks. A front entrance speaks. A hallway speaks. A maintenance shop speaks. A swimming pool speaks, right? The question is not whether the space is communicating. The question is, what is it communicating? So come join me for this impactful conference and on this journey of continuous improvement of the facilities that serve people across Nebraska.